Hey, yo, we on Walking Street. We about to have a rematch, you heard? Watch this crazy shit. Y'all think I'm playing? Watch this wild shit. I'm gonna take my shades off and shit, you heard? Facto. Let's get right to it. Hold up. Let me record some shit real quick. Hold up. Look, he loaded this shit. Ready?
All right.
Get us all. Y'all ready? Look at free. Put a little free.
Yeah.
Shoot first. Shoot first. Look at this thing. Come on, we shooting now. We shooting. Don't shoot the nigga in the head. Calm down. Hold on, man. What I hit? Nothing.
You let all your shit in the top.
I hit nothing. What you hit, son?
Everything.
Hit that nigga neck. Since the mask man over here, what you hit? You shot the gun out his hand. That's crazy. I ain't hit nothing, son. That's crazy. Damn. Y'all good? Y'all ready for tomorrow? One more? Alright. One more. I mean, why you staring at it so hard?
I'm going center mass this time.
It's not that impressive. You keep staring at it. It's not that impressive. Free can't shoot, which is crazy. I'm drunk. I get an excuse. I'm drunk. Alright, y'all ready? Told him I've been playing with him. Look, I've been playing with him. Look at this shit. Come here, Free. What Free got? Free just missed. Free don't even know what's
I
happening.
only missed 3 times.
You missed 3 times?
Stop playing, nigga. Look at that shit. There's holes there, bro.
Why you so mad about it?
That's what you did. You second one.
I was playing, man.
Second one.
Those are all headies.
Yeah.
Those are all headies. Stop being a hater. Yeah.
Play the man.
Free is a hater. I won again. I'm just happy I beat Free twice. Free, you alright about it? You okay? Free, you alright? Should be 6. Free mad. I don't know why Free so mad. Yo, Free. Are you mad? Are you mad too? Are you as free as mad? Or mad as Free? You not mad?